Before watching our video, please subscribe to Vern's channel and hit the notification bell. Please click the like button and share it. Subtitles are available when clicking CC button. Hi. I combine Vern cutting scissors 6E and styling scissors 6EE together to use. I would like to design a left-right asymmetric hairstyle. First, adjust hair volume by slanting texturizing. Look here, there is no tool mark because of applying slanting texturizing. After adjusting hair volume, cut the length by texturizing to cut. It presents very natural and wispy effects at hair ends. In back area, I still adjust hair volume first by slanting texturizing. In order to make the cutting operation smooth, I cut the length by scissors over comb with left hand. For the second layer, adjust hair volume first by slanting texturizing. Look, I only adjust hair volume first. The curvature of the hairstyle is very beautiful. Next, cut the length by texturizing to cut. Now, I combine two pairs of Vern curved scissors together to use to cut the length by point cut. At the bangs, use single curved scissors to create the neat contour line. Using the curve of scissors, it is easy to create the arc shape at the bangs. Lastly, I combine Vern texturizing scissors 6EB and 6EC, and add Vern bridge between these two scissors together to use. Adjust hair volume at hair roots, middle of the hair and hair ends, to make the hairstyle more three-dimensional and fluffy. This work is done. If you like this video, don't hesitate to click like it. More haircut video clips on YouTube. Welcome to subscribe. Click the bell next to the subscribe button to get the notifications of latest videos. You want to buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.